So here we've got 3D, and basically you've got the same rigmarole again. You're multiplying here, brackets give indication of this, and you've got one bracket with two things in it and another bracket with two terms in it. So you've got to multiply these out. So we use our tip first of all, which is basically change the first part in the first bracket, first term in the first bracket into red, and the second term there minus 7 into a different color of your choice. I use purple. So then we say, okay, first part of first bracket, multiply by all of the second bracket, which is 2x plus 3. And then we say the second part of the first bracket, which is purple minus 7, multiplied by all of the second bracket. So again, by doing this, by splitting up the brackets, you're now targeting each piece and correctly multiplying everything out in the brackets. So now we go to remove the brackets. We say 3x by 2x, so 3 by 2 is 6, x by x gives us x squared. So putting that all together, we get 6x squared. 3x by 3 gives us 9x. Now we have minus 7 by 2x. Be careful, unlike signs give minus, and then 7 by 2 gives us 14, so 7 by 2x gives us 14x. Again, unlike signs gives us minus, and 7 by 3 gives us 21. That's called removing the brackets. Last but not least, tidy up anything that is similar. You have an x squared there, 6x squared to be precise. You have no other x squared, so that's going to be in your answer. And you have no other numbers, minus 21, that's going to be in your answer. But you do have x's to tidy up here. So you have 9x minus 14x, so 9 minus 14. So remember, when the signs are different, take the small number from the big. So 9 for 14 is 5. Keep the sign the big number, and it's tall, majestic hills, and there's number 1D.